Infosys is a leader in digital services and business transformation. We have over 340,000 employees spread across about 54 plus countries. Hi, Andrew Brader. I'm a partner in our Infosys consulting practice.
I'm Charles Prudente. I work at Infosys Consulting. Infosys Consulting has a project management center of expertise. We develop best practice project management processes, and we harvest those. We harvest those from our senior leaders running projects globally, and we constantly refine those. So those processes are built inside the Smartsheet solution, and we push those out to our projects.
Often there are challenges in terms of fragmented tools. We see things like no single version of the truth, double entry of information. What we're doing with the Smartsheet platform is taking those challenges away from our clients and our teams.
We developed Smartsheet solution, a platform for managing projects. So we use dashboards to track and manage and report on all of the work that we're doing on that project. We're able to literally click on that dashboard and it's real-time available and ready to use.
That allows management of large, complex programs, often spanning multiple geographies, often involving large budgets, giving them the tools that they can use to manage those end-to-end.
Prodactive was instrumental in getting Smartsheet up and running for us at Infosys. They helped us design our solution and kickstart it into existence. Clients are always so impressed with the fact that they ask for some small thing and we can turn it around immediately.
Smartsheet is an intelligent work management platform. It's AI enabled and it's flexible. It gives us the tools to work quickly and scale our solutions quickly to our client base and to our teams.